Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli on FSD. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters. Follow me on X. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code. Much appreciated. And consider supporting this channel through Patreon. Really appreciate it. About 14 years ago, 2010, through Solar City, and now it's Tesla, I installed a 12 kilowatt hour system of solar on my roof as a lease. Now it's about $115 a month. No expense to me. No, I didn't have to pay anything. Solar City and Tesla installed it, 2 inverters, guaranteed 8 megawatt hour of production a year. And let me show you the app of what I did so far. And then I'm going to tell you what happened to my system. So this is the part of the app that shows you your production. Here's a daily. This was last week. It was very cloudy there. So it says 3.2 kilowatt. Here is March 2024, 383.4 kilowatt hour of production. So my house consumes about 40 kilowatt hour a day. Here's 2024 years to see January, February. Look at March, the big jump, 588.1 kilowatt hour. And for a lifetime, as you can see, we produce 86 megawatt hour of energy. It's about, like I said, it's 8,000. Sometimes I got 9,000 megawatt hour of production. So let's pick 2023. Here's the year 2023, 8.6 megawatt hour. That's a good year. So you see that March, June, July, August are really good production here, obviously because there's more sunlight. Let's pick 2022. This is all the Tesla app. This is great. And here's 8.9 megawatt hour. I remember one year it was 7.5. Wasn't a great year. I forget which year was that. 2020, maybe, I don't know. No, here's 2020, 9,000 megawatt hour. So basically, the pluses are, I give you the pluses, I give you the minuses, and then I'll tell you what happened. The pluses in the solar system is that I have no expense. I just pay a monthly payment, and I save between 20 to 30% between what I pay every month to Tesla, the $115 a month, and my electric bill. Combine this all together to what I used to pay before, I save 20 to 30%. So over the 20-year list, it's a 20-year list, it will end in 2030. Okay, so I started 2010, 2030. I will save probably between $25,000 to $35,000 in electricity. Now, if I had the battery power, okay, the battery backup, that would be great. Why? Because most of the consumption is at night, and I'm not consuming a lot during the day because I'm at work. Okay, so it's good. It doesn't, it does save me money. But if I had the battery power, then maybe. I'm not planning to stay in this house for too long, and it's just not something I was going to do. This not something I did. It's okay, whatever. No harm, no foul. So what is the other benefit? Well, last 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that, one of the inverters got shut. I can see, because I follow this, I can see that there's no production. There's a half of production because there are 2 inverters, so half of the amount. So I called Tesla. Within 2 or 3 days, the guy came, did all the diagnosis. He said the inverter is shut. Ordered the piece. A week later, he came. Maybe a half hour was in the garage. Changed it. No expense to me, because that particular inverter is way past its warranty days. So that is the advantage of leasing and not purchasing, because you're not on the hook for anything. So any excess energy that I don't use, and there is some of it, and it goes back to the grid, in the state of New Jersey where I am, you get some money back, right? It's called SREX. Doesn't matter. Some solar put. Well, Tesla gets it, not me. I would get it if it was my system. But that's okay. That's okay, because I'm not on the hook for anything. I'm not on the hook for anything. Anything that happens, Tesla fixes it. It's not my system. They're basically using my roof to produce electricity. they get monthly fees, and I get tremendous reduction. There's some months during the year, during March, April, May, June, July, sometime August, my electric bill is like $10. One time it was backward. I think they owed me money. They owed me $10. Anyway, so it's a great experience. So it's one option. I'm not saying that it's the best option. I think the best option is if you buy it and finance it. There's a lot of federal incentives and state incentive, depends where you live. But it's great to buy it, finance it, get the incentive if your state have it, and a power wall. You are basically not off the grid, but just about off the grid. But this is what I did, and that's fine. It's okay. But I have no headaches. I don't have to worry about anything. They monitor the system. And that inverter will cost a few $1,000s. I paid nothing, babkes. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.